After using a police siren on his truck to bypass traffic, a man was pulled over. What followed might surprise you.
Do you have a siren installed in your vehicle?
Sir?
If you use a siren and somebody pulls over, it's a crime.
100%.
And you said that you don't have one and you would never do that.
Yes, sir. 100%.
You're okay with me taking a look at the box inside the truck?
Yeah.
Siren box?
Yeah. Hey, listen. It is there, but there's no mic. It's cut off. I cut the cable.
And it doesn't have to be a mic. It's as long as you have a siren on there and it produces a sound. Oh my god.
Anything?
Hey!
Any place on arrest for impersonating law enforcement officer in the state of Florida?
Do that.
Treat me like a good dude. I'm a good dude.